Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing natural twists. So natural twist, like, it's a very simple hair that everybody can do. So first of all, you moisturize your hair, clean it. The hair is already washed, it's clean and everything. So I'm just using a mega growth conditioner to just make the hair soft and cool. So I will leave you here to watch. The hair is very simple, so try and watch to the end. And so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Always come and watch my video and God will bless you. So if you have been watching my video anytime I post, thank you for always watching. I really appreciate your support. It's not easy. Thank you so much. So I will leave you people here to watch and watch to the end. Thank you. Hello, I'm back again. So here we are done with the hair pattern. I did not use the edge control because I don't want the hair to be white. I don't want that whitish something on my hair. So that is why I did not use edge control for the pattern. So we are done with the pattern. I use Ruberband. We are using the natural twist. It's 20 inches natural twist, which is kinky. We are using it for the cutting. I use cotton too. I want it a bit, let me just say, a bit longer or something that I can pack. So if you don't want to pack your own, you can just use cotton 3 or cotton 4 if you just want it very short. So I need something that I can pack. That is why I use cotton 2. Watch how I put, and I use crochet to install the hair. Then before twisting it down, so just watch and learn how to do the crochet. here comes to the end of this video. Guys, this is how the look. This is how the hair looks like. Very fine, very simple, very cute. No makeup on my face, so that is natural me. To tell you say it's not easy. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. This is how the hair come out, looking so simple and nice. Thank you for watching.